Hey guys, it's Dave at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee again. And I have the sister truck to the other one I showed you a little bit ago. This is a 2019 F550 Super Cab mechanics truck. And as you can tell, this one's fully equipped. It's got the solar power generator. So I'm just going to shut that off because I don't need the competition. But that's got the solar powered air compressor on it. It's got a fuel cell right there in case somebody runs out of fuel and you need to bring them some. All kinds of these here fancy little LED little lights right there. Looks like you might need to do something with that hose. It's got a reel for air and it's got a reel for water. There's a water tank back there with an electric pump built into it. And it looks like every one of these, you can loosen that up and raise them up and get some height out of them if you need to. So it's got little protection on it. It's a reading box. I'm going to call that maybe like a 10-foot box or so. There's your connection for the jumping of a vehicle. I do not have the cables for that, but you can pick them up. There's your receiver hitch, and there's your little connector for the tail lights and all that. And it's got the fancy little strobe lights all over the place. Nice heavy-duty bench vise on it. And I'm not going to waste your time showing you all of these toolboxes, but you kind of get the idea. She is rock solid. That's a reading box, as I said. Solid box. Nice piece. It does have, let's see, stainless steel running boards on it for the entrance getting in and out of the truck. It is a two-wheel drive truck. Oh, nice sound system. We don't need to have that on either. There we go. Oh, wow, air conditioning feels nice. So it's a super cab. It's got the back seat in it, and of course the back seats will fold up for storage if you don't need to haul that. If you don't need, and there's where the power inverter lives. So you have a connection right here. That's a factory installed option. So there's your 120 and your 12-volt power supply, and of course it's got the extra little fold-down storage center here. So you do have 3 passenger seating. And look at this WeatherTech, the most expensive stuff you can buy. This company was a one truck, one operator company. So the guys knew who was driving it, who was taking care of it, who did or did not do a good job. There's some more strobe lights on it, tow hooks on front for towing out those other guys. You got the turn signals and that stuff on the mirrors, and little emblem right there. Those are heated as well. And of course, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, tilt wheel, cruise control built into the steering column, radio controls, all kinds of stuff there, automatic headlights. This thing is really well loaded up. There's your factory brake controller, air conditioning. We heard the radio running already. Nice truck. So they got all those fancy strobe lights and everything hooked up on these switches here. I'm just going to turn them off, otherwise I'll have a dead battery in the morning. And this side looks just as nice as the other side. This is a 2019, and let me see here, just so that we get it right. It is 79,000 miles on it. So we just obtained this one just last weekend. We haven't even cleaned the bugs off the windshield yet. You probably noticed that. But this truck is spectacular. With the working air compressor and the little fuel pump deal on there and all that kind of good stuff. Diamond plate on the front of the box so it doesn't get all chipped up. Extending lights up there. Such a nice truck. So if you can use this truck or anything else on our website, you feel free to give me a call. This is Dave with HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee, and my phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, we really appreciate you looking.